Hello there. In this video, we will learn about more basics of Excel. And here we are discussing about mark sheet, how to create and find out the total and account, a status, or percentage, division, if you have a mark sheet. And we basically going to learn about the alignment tab here and more basic how to find out this particular mark sheet. For example, you have a task to create a mark sheet where you have a numbers where you have to create a subtotal, status, a percentage, a division, count, like that. So first in this part we will learn about the basics. And for example, I have this mark sheet written mid. Now this looks very odd when you're going to create a chart like that, and a mark sheet in one of the column looks very odd. You have one option called merge and center. This is the option called at the alignment tab. For example, select these columns there, select these columns, merge and centers, click on it, and it will merge one particular column will create it, and every cell will be merged with each other. And you can see the mark sheet now is in center. Now for example, whatever font you want to use here, like I want to use my favorite Arial, and I want to keep on increasing the size, which looks to be a highlighted part. 36, that's great. Now the font I want to use, that is red, yeah, mark sheet it is. And the font I want to use for the background color will be yellow, that's great, or a green, that's perfect. Again, green it is. And let me use the wheel one, it look bright, great. Now this is where now it is created, a small chart has been created, a mark sheet. Now these are the students who have score marks in English, Hindi, maths, science, social science. Now for example, you want to create I want to add these values like 80, 75, 96, 54, 58. We already know how to add these numbers. So go to atom sum, and the subtotal, the total will be shown like this is 363. The subtotal of Ankit who scored these marks in the respective subjects. So 363 is that out of 500 if we are going with. Now for every student you have to select all and go to our sum and score number there. But that's another great feature of Excel. If you put a pointer here and try to drag till here, you will get the score automatically. You will get the score. This is how much the students have scored in the overall subject. The 5 subjects they have appeared the exam, and these are the scores they have received. So this is great too, and this is how it look to be. Now for example, you want to create a count here. Now count means that how many count mean, for example, how many subject a particular student receive 33 marks, less than 33 marks. Now for example, I put a pointer here and wants to know, so goes to function there, it will receive to here a function, insert function. So you want to insert function, you have to go to all, and you have to select C. For example, I select C. keeps on select C, and you will get COUNTIF. Click on it, okay, and the range you want to select. For example, the range I want to select. I select these ranges: 80, 75, 50, 363. I selected the range from B5 to G5, and the criteria I want to select is 33. I want a total count. A student has received 33. So how many means if a particular student has received lesser than 33, it means how many subjects he got failed. 33 marks is the cutoff point. So for example, I click OK. Ankit receive more than 33 in every subject. But if you want to find out with every person, then you have to go with each and every guy, click on it, go to functionality, and keeps on changing the figure. But as I say, that Excel is the most advanced feature, a most advanced feature having Excel. So just drag this pointer here, just put a pointer here, drag these values, and it will show how many students have received 33 marks and less. So it's showing that Naman has received 33 marks. How many subjects he has received? One only. Let me check. Yeah, he has received 26 number in maths. It means lesser than 33. Similarly, Amar has received 25 in social science, less than 33. He got failed in that subject. Similarly, Molloy, who have failed in Hindi, he has received 25. Ajay didn't receive, and then Sunil failed in two subjects, 30 and 25. Similarly, Nathan failed in two subjects, 30 and 25 respectively, and Sajid, Nikhil, Aman, Sanjay, and Sumit received less than 33 marks, and like that. For example, Molloy appeared and rechecked the copy. He's not convinced with the number, and the teacher ready to recheck it. He appeared for a recheck, a retotaling, a recheck. He requested for it, and a teacher find that yes, uh, he should receive a 35 number and not 25, and his record get changed. Now, for example, before Molloy's count was 1, it means when he was 25, when he received 25, that time Molloy count was 1, it means one of the subject he was received lesser than 1 number, means lesser than 30 number. Now, I just put a cursor in any of the column. Once it updated that yeah, Molloy has received 35 number in Hindi, his count got changed. You can see his count get changed. Molloy was the only person who failed in Hindi, now get passed, and he's no more in the dark round. He's no more in the weaker student. He passed in every subject, although he didn't score enough, but he got passing marks and no more lesser than 30. So this is how we actually explore mark sheet, and this is how it's grade 2. In next videos we will learn about more with Excel. I hope you learned something in this video. Thanks for watching.